The best pizza I've ever had in my life. It's called the Nona, and I asked for it with rocket greens. But at any rate, this little pizza here is called, this little pizzeria here is called Gustamore. And it is the finest pizza I've ever had in my life. It was made with stracchino cheese, a white cheese. It kind of melts. They put it on, and then it melts down in dollops. A little tomato sauce, lots of cherry tomatoes that are cooked, but just not cooked before it's put in the oven. You know, just cooked with the pizza. And rocket greens, arugula, and crispy crocante crust, very crispy crust. Oh my God, it was just incredible. Oh, it had mushrooms. It had two kinds of mushrooms, porcini and can't remember the other kind of mushrooms. But this is Rapallo. I'm 2 blocks away from the water. There's just a couple motorcycles here. This is the whole culture of Italy. Motorbikes. There's real estate office. I always love to look at real estate prices and what they look like. Oh, that's just land, condos, apartments. Rapallo is just a beautiful place. These are all apartments. Everybody, oh, this is a house. I would need a house with a garage. Can't live without a garage. Oh well, in any event. It's really a wonderful place. Look at the hardware. Look at this. And modern buildings, nice modern buildings. Restored, beautiful old. Up on the hill. Excuse me. This is the seashore. I'm right on the right across from the water, literally across from the water, on the waterfront road. Hello. Okay. See the water up there? I also had some tiramisu. I hate tiramisu. I don't know why I got it. I keep on trying tiramisu, thinking one day I'll like it. I can't stand tiramisu. It's like eating plastic. There's just nothing to it. Just like whipped cream. But oh, and that's the Best Western. Huh. So here's the harbor. And this is my hotel. No, this is not my hotel. The next one is Hotel Astoria. Oh, look at this nice restaurant. Restaurante. Here's my hotel. Hotel Astoria. See all these cars parked here? And here's my moto parked here. Sarah said I could park it there. She's one of the people at the front desk. And the guy at the front desk is Ennio. He said I should park it out back. Sarah said, no, you can leave it there. Here where all the motos are parked. I guess going to restaurants and stuff. Look at this. And see the murals painted up there? I don't think you can. There you go. That's all painted. Right into the cement, right into the wet cement. Scooters everywhere, scooters. I don't know how you can tell them apart. Just amazing. Everybody's, can't believe I didn't get the picture of the beach somehow. I must have touched the screen or something, who knows. In any event, so this is, oh, there's a little fair going on over there. This is the Hotel Astoria is actually behind this tree here. That's where I'm staying. And see, I don't know that I saw this. This is a mural painted into the concrete, into the cement above there. And then this is the strip. And here, all these motor scooters. Low battery. Maybe that's what caused it, no. Just means 20%. In any event, here is the strand, the beach. There were some people swimming there that I thought I was filming before, but apparently not. To be more careful. This is the beach. And there's a mooring field out there. And then the marina over here. Big houses and whatnot. Hotel Italia. There, the green. There's a pharmacia there, you can see in green. There's more painting on buildings over here. Terracotta colored. Over here, there's the moon. And over here are the, must have an old castle up there or something. And then all the villas. And it's just beautiful. It's just such a nice area. I don't know what it's like in the winter. We are on the west coast of Italy, just about, half hour, 45 minutes south of Genoa, probably an hour and a half away from Milan. just north of Genoa. I'm headed south even from here to, you can believe this, to Bobbio tomorrow. Stay there one day, and then I'll head up to Milan for 2 days and meet Andrew on the second day. And on the third day, we ride for the Dolomites for 5 days. For 5 hours. Take a straight shot across. After we do the Dolomites, we'll work our way on some nice roads back slowly, stopping just a little bit outside of Milan, a little town called Bergamo. Meet up with some people that I met who live there, that I met in Sardinia. This is the Hotel Astoria where I'm staying. I might have said that before. It was so nice there. I had a massage god. I fell asleep during the massage. They had to wake me up. I never felt so good in my life. Here's my motorcycle. The thing just keeps on running. Just nothing ever goes wrong with it. It's just perfect. Just a perfect bike. I love this motorcycle. What's that? Oh, that's a sticker from the ferry. Moby. Huh. This is a sticker I got from Gross Glockner. I don't know what year that was. This is the Isle of Man. This was the original Touratech bike. This was it was the Adventure Festival in Barcelonette in 2021. I was there, and I don't know. I don't think I have any other stickers. I usually forget to get stickers. It's just so nice. I could see staying here for a month or so.